Oregon Judge Steve Grasty has proposed that the armed militia occupying a federal wildlife refuge pay $75,000 a day for the toll the standoff is costing Harney County. Now, dozens of residents have been speaking out against the militia, led by cattle rancher Ammon Bundy. Judge Grasty estimates that Bundy and his group are costing the community roughly $60,000 to $75,000 each day since the first week of the occupation, and he feels strongly that Bundy should foot the bill. Now, on this, Judge Grasty said, "I really want people aware of the cost that these folks are giving all of us. There is a justification in sending them a bill, if for no other reason than letting everyone know that this is costing taxpayers." Jose, these guys have come out. They're asking publicly for people to send them supplies.
Bags of dildos. They've been very happy sending YouTube videos, asking the public not to send any more bags of dildo. Send a few more, guys. I think this is great. Since the beginning of this story, I had a beef with these guys because if any other group came and did the same thing, this wouldn't be a matter of sending them a bill. This would be a matter of putting bodies in bags.
Yeah,
so
definitely.
To have them just have a bill and they play this charade on and on where they've been pretty much taking this place hostage that belongs to every American in the country and just deciding that they're gonna post up there and decide to steal it away from the public, and that's all they're gonna get, a bill, that's ridiculous. But at least there's a judge that is trying to make a point of saying what these guys are doing is wrong and it's costly to the American taxpayers.
I mean, you're seeing a lot of the citizens in Harney County coming out. They're talking about how they're fearful for their lives. Children are crying on YouTube videos at these town hall meetings. They want these guys gone. And it's, to your point, it's absurd that they've been occupying this building for 10 days and all that we're talking about here is giving them a bill. They've destroyed about 25 to 30 yards of a fence to allow cattle to graze freely, and a lot of people are speculating that that is where the cost that the county is incurring is coming from, is that they're actually destroying federal property. So how is it that they are still allowed to occupy this building?
I want to see if anyone else goes and destroys federal property and if they get this royal treatment where they have every day they have a press conference with the media asking them, well, what's the plan for today, guys? Well, we're just going to be here hanging out with automated rifles, making sure that everybody's scared to get close, and making sure the federal government, because the federal government does not want an ex-Waco. So it's clear that they're not going to escalate this into violent behavior, and they know it, and that's what they're cashing in, and the support of some people around. But what is important is to see that there's a lot of ranchers and a lot of people that traditionally will line up with an anti-federal government agenda. Now they're saying, well, I think you're wrong, this is on warrant. And even the case that originated the whole takeover, it's already moving forward, and those involved in that case, they don't want to have anything to do with Bundy. So hopefully they can clear this guy out, and they go to jail, and they pay for the hundreds of thousands of dollars that these probably going to end up costing.
Well, the Oregon militia, people want them gone, and judges in Harney County want them to pay for the destruction that they're causing. They're still in a standoff with the government with no end in sight.